Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert your WordPress website into an Android app. Let's get started. In order to do that, what we can do is we can head over right here to our plugin marketplace on WordPress and add a plugin. So this plugin is actually called WordPress right here. So you can head over and search for this particular plugin. And then from in there, just make sure to install and activate it. So for me, I already installed and activated it. So they can head over right here and then just locate it from there. So you should be able to see it right here on your left dashboard or left sidebar from in there. So let's just head over and scroll down until you can see this WordPress basic. So head over and click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, you should be able to see in here the plan that they offer. So just head over and click on this Create App Now, which is the free version, but you can also choose the Pro version for Android and also for iOS. Now in here, let's head over here to our advanced settings. And then just enter your app name from in there. So let's head over and click on it in order to enter our app name. So just name it. For example, let's name this right here Daily Tutorials. Now you can also select the theme that will be installed. I'll choose 2020. And you can also use a unique homepage for your app. I actually use my shop page. You can also customize your theme as well as custom push notifications. Once you have done that, click on this Save Changes right here. Now you can see in here this phone. So this phone right here will contain what it will look like right here. And you can see in here the live demo for your actual phone. So when you click on it, you should be able to see it from in there. Now, head over here to Build Android App and then just name this right here. So I'll name it Daily Tutorial and I'll just put in here a launcher icon. So click on Change and choose the file that you want to use. I'll choose this one and then you can actually choose any logo that you want. So this one right here is just a placeholder image that I want. Now you can also choose in here the background color if you want. Now you can also run some ads and you can choose in here the file type. You will choose AAB if you want to upload your file to Google Store, or you can choose APK if you don't want to upload your app to Google Play Store. So just head over and choose your app type. For me, I'll just choose APK and click on this Build Generate App. Now, as you can see, this will generate or create the Android app for us. It's now downloading, and it's now you can see in here this download app. So click on this right here. Then this will open a new tab that will direct you and head over. And then as you can see, this will actually download right here the app that they have created for you. Once it's done downloading, you should be good to go and you should be able to install it on your Android phone or share it with people. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.